When your sourdough starter has gone from here to here, you might be ready to bake. This week on the sourdough trials, I use up some of my discard by making crackers, but first, my ordinary white sourdough loaf. Maybe you know by now I start with 50 grams of starter, add about 360 grams of water, 500 grams of bread flour, and 9 or 10 grams of salt. The dough starts out shaggy, and as usual, it's hard to imagine how this will turn into a nice round ball of dough. I switch over to coil fold depending on how my dough is acting. I spread the rice flour evenly over the dough. This week I did a deeper score down the middle and then 2 wheat stalks on either side of the middle score. I'm going to keep an eye on this part where it looks like it's a little cracked or dried out.
Please hang up and try again.
Instead of throwing out my discard, I'm going to use it in recipes instead. I'm starting with the recipe for discard crackers. To 2 tablespoons of melted cooled butter, add 200 grams of sourdough discard. Mix together thoroughly. Spread on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Spread into a thin layer with an offset spatula. Sprinkle with your seasoning of choice. I'm using Everything Bagel seasoning. After baking for 10 minutes at 325 degrees, remove from the oven and score your dough. Return to the oven and bake for an additional 20 or more minutes until the crackers are golden brown. Once they are cooled completely, break into squares.